All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, so today's video is going to be a how-to video. Okay, now a lot of you who are a homeowner, you may have this problem, right? Okay, now, but if you don't have this problem yet, you may have this problem sometime soon, so you want to pay attention to this. So let's go over here. Okay, so I'm over here, I'm looking at my water hose, right? And I've had this for about 10 years. It's been going on 9 or 10 years. And this is probably like a 200-foot water hose, right? And just recently, it started cracking. And you know how you may want to, sometimes you fold the water hose and then over time it splits like this. And most people will say, you know what, this water hose is broken, I'm going to throw it away, right? Or the end of it right here is like messed up. So this is what you want to do. I'm going to show you what you can do to fix your water hose and so you can use it again. Okay, so let's go ahead and get everything together. Okay, guys. Okay, so we're going to do this together, right? um, I just went and bought this little piece here. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and, you know what, let me show you what I got. I went and bought this little gadget here, right? And you can do this with both ends of the hose. This is the end that you put the sprinkler head on, okay? And hopefully this should fit on here. And you can buy one of these at Lowe's. I'll go ahead and put the information up here so you guys can see it, and then you can I bought this from Lowe's, and I think they come in different sizes, so you got to be careful about what size you get. Okay, that's that. And then there's a part number on the back. It's the same. Okay, and they also have this so you can, like, if your water hose is broken in the middle, you can get a type of splicer where you can splice both of them together, and then it'll be okay. Okay, so it just so happened this is towards the end, right? So I bought this. This cost me only like $6, $7 max, depending on where you go. So we're gonna do this together, guys. Let's go ahead and cut this off. I grabbed me some tools that I thought I would need. Okay. What I did, I grabbed some cutters like this, and then I went on and grabbed both my screwdrivers, flathead, and a Phillips, and then I got my tool, my trusty drill. Okay, so first of all, so this comes out like this, right? It comes apart like this, and I want to see if this is going to fit. Yep, it fits. Yep, it fits on there. Okay, so that's good. That's a good sign already. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take this water hose, I'm going to cut it maybe about here. I'll make sure I get a straight cut. You may have some other kind of cutters, but this works for me because this is a pretty strong type of cutter. Okay, so this is how much I cut off. Look, this right here. So I'm just gonna throw that right over there, just like that. So now we have a clean, even cut, right? So we're gonna take this and we're gonna see if this fits. Now I don't know the dimensions of my water hose. I think some people's hoses are different dimensions. This has a oh, okay, I didn't know that. So this water hose has a wire in it, right? Look at there, the very bottom. That's why it's so stiff. See that little piece, that circle piece right there at the bottom? It's like a wire inside this hose. So this is a very, very good hose. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get this in here. And I've seen some people take some baby oil and grease and put on here to try to insert this. I hope I got the right size. If not, then we're going to do this over. Okay. And I think now I see why they put oil on it. Because it is hard. Okay. It is hard to get it in here. Okay, come on. Let's go ahead and get this in here so I can get this show on the road. Okay, so there is a wire here, or a piece of rubber. Maybe I'm just not gripping it right. Okay, hold on. Come on. It seemed like it wants to fit. Okay, it does. There we go. So we're getting there. Okay, we're getting somewhere, guys. Okay, we're fixing this together. As long as it doesn't come back out. I feel like I want to hammer it, but I don't want to mess up the thread, right? So I'm gonna try to push this in here like this. It's getting there, guys. It's halfway. And oh, you know what? Do I need to take this apart? Okay, let me go ahead and do this first. Maybe I should have put this on there first, right? Yeah. This is a how-to video, like, you know, guys, we're doing this at the same time. So let's go ahead and take these screws out. I'm gonna use this here. I don't know if this comes all the way apart, but we're gonna see. Okay, so it's okay, cool. So this is opened up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put this on here first. Okay, so it's like that. Now we're getting somewhere, guys. Bear with me, okay? Bear with me. You would think this is a how-to video. I'm supposed to have everything together, right? But I don't. But we're doing this together, okay? I just bought this. Okay, let's go ahead and get this. I want to push it down on something, maybe here. Okay, let me go ahead and get this in here, and then we're gonna screw this down. Okay, guys. With a little elbow grease, I finally got this together. You see, you can tell that it's in there. It's kind of bulged out, right? So now let's go ahead and take this part. See if we can get this around here like that. I think I can open this up a little bit more. Let's go ahead and open it up a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have this on here, we want to go ahead and tighten it down. And I think I'm going to use my drill instead of my screwdriver. All right, here we go. What I'm doing one side a little by little, so I just don't want to do one side alone all the way. Okay, so okay, we're getting there. Go ahead and finish this off. Okay. Do this side again. Okay. Looks new, right? Looks new. And then we have this right here. Go ahead and put this on here. Look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this out, guys. You come with me. Come on, let's go, guys. Go ahead and test this out. All right, let's go. Go ahead and pull it over here. Got the hose. Let's see if it works. This is the final test. Okay, let's turn it on. Now, it is kind of leaking, and it's leaking because I don't have a washer in this top part, so I need to find a washer to go into the nozzle. But it's okay, you know, it works. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. It works. It works, guys. And water my garden now. Now you can water everything. Water my pumpkins and watermelon over here. Looking good, guys. Yeah, so it works. Yes. Okay. Thumbs up on that. All right, guys. So that's how you fix a broken water hose. And some of you guys are like, you know, your water hose hasn't got to that point, but when it does, this is the best way to fix it. Okay. All right. So that's it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.